Cardboard boxes. Types, materials, and manufacturing process. This video is an in-depth guide to how cardboard boxes are made. You will learn more about topics such as: what is a cardboard box? How cardboard boxes are made? Types of cardboard boxes. Materials used to make cardboard boxes. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a cardboard box? Chapter 2. How cardboard boxes are made. Processes in creating cardboard. Pulping process. Paperboard construction. Coating paperboard. Making boxes. Paper rolls. Craft paper. Processes in creating chipboard. Raw materials. Shredding. Adhesive. Heat and pressure. Chipboard thicknesses. Light chipboard, extra large chipboard. Extra heavy chipboard, double extra heavy chipboard. Making and finalizing boxes. Flaps and handles. Bending or folding. Flexographic printing. Inspection of boxes. Chapter 3. What are the different grades of paperboard? Paperboard grades. Solid bleached sulfate. Coated unbleached kraft. Uncoated unbleached kraft. Coated recycled board. Uncoated recycled board. Folding box board. Frequently asked questions. What materials are cardboard boxes made from? How does the manufacturing process impact cardboard box strength? What grades of paperboard are available for packaging? What are the main benefits of using recycled materials in cardboard boxes? How do coatings improve the qualities of paperboard boxes? Which paperboard types are best suited for food and pharmaceutical packaging? Chapter 4. What are the other types of cardboard? Honeycomb cardboard. Gray paperboard. Gray cardboard. Chapter 5. What are the different types of cardboard boxes? Slotted container. Full overlap slotted container. Full telescope box. Snap bottom box. One-piece folder. Self-locking cardboard box. Types of boxes summary. Chapter 6. What are the uses for chipboard boxes? Sensitive technologies. Bakery boxes. Tissue boxes. Beer cases. Retail displays. Notebooks and pads of paper. Furniture components. Take-out food boxes. Chapter 7. What are the benefits of cardboard boxes? Cardboard box benefits. Versatile applications. Cost-effectiveness. Sustainable production. Homegrown materials. Customizable boxes. Recyclable materials. Environmentally friendly production. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right cardboard box manufacturers for your needs.